So right now, I'm feeding my computer instructions by using a coding language called Python. While utilizing this code, I'm telling the computer to perform a specific task. In this instance, the code that I'm creating will adjust the amount of ingredients that I need for a cookie recipe. Let's say that we want to bake 1,000 cookies. And there it is, the exact amount of ingredients that I need. The College of Business offers Management 404, which is laser focused on a coding language called Python.
Huge companies like Google, Facebook, and even NASA utilize Python. You can use this language to analyze data, create a game, or even finance or inventory management apps. The course will ultimately challenge you to problem solve while learning coding logic and programming. Python is an easy language to use, close to English, and anyone can take this course regardless of whether they have previous experience coding or not.
The professor begins class time by talking about the code we will be running that day, and then we practice and improve. Attendance is super important. Understand that you will be challenged in this course, all while building your problem-solving skills, programming knowledge, and critical thinking skills.
Any business student or students in any major with Python on their resume will have an advantage over other applicants when job hunting. Python opens the door for new job opportunities and higher salaries.